Our tip of the week is how to put our irises to bed for the winter. These are some tips from our friends down at Schreiner's Iris. And what we'll want to do is go through, our clump here. We want to kind of clean out all this old foliage. And this will get rid of all of we don't want any of this to stay in here for the disease and bug issues. So if we clean all this old foliage out, that's kind of down at the base of the plant. And then we want to take these older fronds that were up from the summertime, and we'll just kind of trim those back. So you can just go straight across like that. We'll leave up, a few inches just to kind of leave it as a marker so we know where it is. And then once we get all of this foliage out, we can go through and clean this up. We can put a little bit of fresh mulch over here for the winter time just to kind of protect the rhizomes. And then in springtime, after these start to grow, we can open those back up and our irises will be ready for spring. So that's our tip of the week, is how to clean up our irises for winter.